Our old mate Prince Harry, he's suing a newspaper in the UK for what he claims is invasion of privacy phone hacking. The first day of the court case, and he was told he had to be there on day one because the opening arguments mightn't go for that long, so let's get straight into the evidence. But he wasn't there on day one. And one of his excuses is because he was having a birthday party for his kid. Can somebody please tell this guy that the magical powers of Birthday Boy are something that we say to children to make them feel even better? It's not something middle-aged men can invoke in a court.
Yes, exactly right. And also, worse yet, it was of the daughter, who I think is turning, 3? I mean, two. All right, she's never going to remember this birthday. It's not that I don't think it's important to attend your child's birthday, but court is court. You filed the lawsuit. You've taken this company to court. You've got to show up and give your evidence, as it's referred to over there in the UK. He's the star witness. He's supposed to go in there and say what they did. He's dragged them into court, and it's cost them a lot of money already in legal fees. So put up or shut up. You don't get to say but I wanted to sing the little birthday carols and have my cake. I wanted my cake and to eat it too. Grow up. You filed this case, now see it through. Look, I don't know what's going to happen substantively in this litigation. It sounds like this company has admitted that it did engage in some hacking, but it denies that it did it to Prince Harry. They say there's absolutely no evidence. He will not be able to prove it. That would not be a surprise with Prince Harry because he's very prone to making false allegations or allegations that are utterly unprovable. And he's also prone to glomming on to others' upset. It wouldn't surprise me at all to find out that, yes, Elton John was hacked or some other public figure was hacked, but Prince Harry just said, it must have been hacking that got me too. That's how people outed my relationship with my girlfriend was on the rocks, etc. So I am open-minded to the defense in this case. I don't know that this is a slam dunk on either side, but if you're going to drag somebody into court and cost them all the money and the embarrassment of making accusations like this, you put up or shut up. Show up or drop the case.
Harry has been accused of wasting time after he failed to appear for the first day of his court case against the publisher of the Daily Mirror because he was attending his daughter's birthday. The judge said he was surprised that the Duke of Sussex was not available to start giving evidence today over allegations of hacking. His legal team set out their case, which included claims the Mirror hacked Princess Diana and Michael Barrymore's phones to reveal a secret meeting between the pair.
The Prince versus the paper. An unprecedented legal battle has begun in which Prince Harry is taking on his lifelong tormentors, the tabloid press. His lawyers have selected a series of articles by the Mirror Group where they claim information about the Prince was illegally obtained. The first of them when he was just a boy, one where his mother visited him at school, and another where his nanny took him to hospital aged 11. The court was told there's evidence the Mirror paid private investigators for information.
You've got the story about him being rushed to hospital in the paper. You've got the payment to a notorious private investigator. Then you've got Prince Harry's own account of this, and Prince Harry thinking, well, who's leaking this? Is it people in my close circle? Is it my nanny?
The next bombshell from Prince Harry's lawyer, David Sherborne, seen here on the left, were letters from Princess Diana to TV presenter Michael Barrymore. In one, she apologises for a story getting out, writing, "Nobody knew about our conversations, phone call. How deeply sorry I am. What I considered to be a private matter has become public property."
What David Sherborne is saying, there's only one possible way this could have happened, i.e. Princess Diana's phone is hacked. And if there's ever a red flag to Prince Harry, it's his mum being hacked.
The Mirror Group say it's pure speculation that Diana was hacked and have admitted only one breach of the rules against Prince Harry. Their lawyers said many of the stories involved information already in the public domain, some put out by the royal household or even the Duke himself. And they said there's no evidence that Prince Harry's phone was ever hacked. Prince Harry's lawyer says that his client was the victim of unlawful information gathering from when he was a young boy at school, through the death of his mother, into army training and young adulthood. There was no time or area of his life when he was safe from this kind of activity, that nothing was sacrosanct, nothing was out of bounds. The court was told this infected his relationships, the intrusion too much for his then girlfriend Chelsea Davy. And they say a story published in 2003 about an alleged disagreement between William and Harry began to erode trust between the brothers. There was surprise expressed by the judge that the Duke of Sussex wasn't in court on standby to give evidence in the afternoon. But that moment comes tomorrow, where he will walk through these doors and face down the newspaper's lawyers. It's his day in court, but their chance to pull his claim apart. Jason Farrell, Sky News.